it's basically dead on, so we're not going to have a problem. So it's beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay, yeah. Center of the runway. Oh my God! Go ahead. fly the airplane to the ground. So far so good. That's up there. Look at your passes there. Right over the airplane like that. Not too much correction. Power out. Power right out, sir. And hold it right there. What up? Pressure full power. We have a cigar, coffee, and chocolate breakfast here. Full length. That's why a long approach and a good approach makes a good landing. If you're over the trees trying to find it like others, now you know you're gonna get a stop it. In your mind, you're all set, you know what you're doing, you did your camp. I see you paid attention to the center line now. Nice. Of course. Yeah, what the fuck is this actually about? I let them pick it up and now I'm saying the same fucking thing. So that's your best. See how you got it there, sir? That's like $1 million. 110. Yes, indeed. And if you did the airplane there, don't forget to turn it left and out. And you take it now right over the speed. At the end. If you leave the power like that. Let's try that, okay? Like the way you are, it's gonna take us right over those trees there. Don't forget the balance. When you feel a few branches are getting broken like that. You see? Even higher. It's fast. You want to take them off. Big power up a little bit now. And when you put the power right off, right? Okay. On the airplane, power right off. Hold it there. Watch the speed. Don't worry, now overcorrect it. It's gonna be okay, like that. Power out. Nice rudder. Wow. Taking candy from a baby. And you, no, we're limiting brakes. Wonderful. Oh, when I go right here. Okay, so you left brakes there. Yeah. Good job. Now you can fly in any weather. Right? Well, yeah. And look at the crosswind we had. No, it was good. But a little right rudder, you put it in the center, and fucking nice. I want to move to Hollywood.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
But,
It's a nice airport too.
oh, fuck yeah. Fuck am I doing it in China? Fucking China. Hospital there is good thing.
Traffic major hazard. They've got nice planes here, the kits.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the flag club will come
And a
here.
snowbird. You know?
Oh yeah, do they?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Now, how do we turn this thing up? Because we don't want to waste it. Ah, I like that way. Where did you get this here?
Yeah.
Where did you get this? Ah. Oh, there's a snowbird. Is it private? Somebody flies it?
No, it's Canadian Air Force.
Oh, it belongs to them. Somebody came for a visit.
Yeah. And there's a nice Navy plane.